In this video clip, I'm going to show you how to place foundation piles. In order for you guys to practice this exercise, you can either using the file that you just worked on, or you can just go to the student practice file, this one, foundation piles. Just open this one up. You may notice the numbering and the letter for the grid line might be a little different than yours. That's completely fine. Click Structure tab, and we are going to use structural foundation isolated. Click this tool, and in order to place the pile foundation, we need to first select the foundation piles or piles foundation. It looks like we don't really have pile foundation. So probably you guys already remember, what we did for the previous video clips. When we don't have that type of tool, what we need to do is we actually need to load the family. Try to see if the library came with a Revit actually has this one or not. So we need to go to the structural foundation folder and pile cap and two piles. So this is the one we would like to work with. Just open this. It looks like I run into some error. I think maybe I have some previous versions, but I'm going to overwrite. Let's see what happens. But of course, this is not the size I really want. I need to edit type and change this into a different one. You know how to do it already, I believe. So this is the same process what we showed before. The size I'm going to want this to be 27 inches times 27 inches times 20 inches. Hit OK. We've already changed the name, but of course we need to change the parameter. The foundation thickness is going to be 1 feet and 8 inches. And the width is 78. The length of the pile is going to be 78 inches as well. And the cut off length, we are just going to leave it as is. So the clearance is basically the distance of the center of those two piles. And we change this to 2 feet and 2 inches. Okay. Now it is time for you to place some piles. Now let's place some piles. One, another one. If you want to terminate, just cancel this one more time or press the escape key twice. Now let's verify the 3D model. By the way, I forgot to mention that this pile foundation should be placed on the top of footing level. So this is the level we're going to put, we should put. Go back to the 3D view, and it looks like everything is fine. Now go back to the top of footing level. For instance, if we like to rotate this pile a little bit, we can definitely, using this tool, rotate, and we first just pick this is like the the starting point for rotation, then rotate this by 90 degrees. So if we verify this one with this, we can see the direction has changed by 90 degrees. I believe this is very simple. You guys can open up the next file and just see where the pile foundations are located. You guys can place the remaining pile caps. By the end of this process, you should have all the pile foundations like this. I'll see you guys in the next video.